Hey guys, this is Mr. Boyd. In this video, I'm going to focus in on how to solve an equation using the distributive property. So here we see we're asked to solve 3 times x plus 5 equals 45. So the first step that we want to perform is we want to do the distributive property to simplify the left-hand side. So I'll start off by multiplying 3 times x, which gives me 3x, plus 3 times 5, which is 15. And that equals 45. Now I want to isolate the variable x by using inverse operations. So I'll start off by subtracting 15 from both sides, because the inverse of addition is subtraction. That gives me 0 there, so I'll just cross that out. So now I have 3x on the left-hand side and 30 on the right-hand side. Now to undo the multiplication problem, I need to divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times x is x. 30 divided by 3 is 10. All right, let's come over here and check our solution to see if we actually did the problem correctly. So I will substitute the 10 for the x inside the parentheses. And right here we're really asking the question, does this equal 45? So let's add 10 plus 5, which is 15. Then we'll multiply that by 3 to see if 3 times 15, let's see, 3 times 15 is 45. So now we see that this checks out, so our actual solution is x equals 10. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you find this video helpful. You can subscribe to this video on my YouTube channel.